Welcome all dear children. As in class 11 we were doing the fourth chapter, that is chemical bonding and molecular structures, and in that yesterday we have done the topic the Vesper theory, and in that we have gone through the postulates and have discussed about some of the shapes of molecules. Today we'll be covering in that topic only shape of some simple molecule ions with central ions having one or more lone pair of electrons. So children, in this video we are going to know about the shape of some molecules having electron pairs. Those electron pairs, lone pair electrons can be one or more than that. So these are the shape of those molecules with one or more lone pair of electrons. And I have already told you, dear children, that lone pairs are those pair of electrons which are not involved in bond formation. So now in this, the first type is, children, molecular type is AB2E, where A is the central atom, B are the atoms which are linked to central atom A, and E, that is one lone pair of electron, that is shown here. Okay, so E is one electron, lone pair of electron. So if it is that one central atom surrounded by two atoms or linked by two atoms with one lone pair, then shape will be trigonal, planar or bent. So the example of this one is SO2O3. SO2O3. Now next one, children, AB2E type. AB2E type. Here A with 2, with A is with 3, AB3E type. Okay children, here A atom is linked with 3 other atoms. A is a central atom which is linked with 3 other atoms. So number of bond pairs, the number of atoms, how many? 3. So 3 bond pairs, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 3 bond pairs and one lone pair of electron, that you can see over here. This is one lone pair of electron. So shape is tetrahedral, and that is tetrahedral, and the shape will be trigonal pyramidal. Here the electron pair arrangement is tetrahedral and shape is trigonal pyramidal. Example of this is, children, ammonia. So it is AB3E type. What is the arrangement of electron pairs? Tetrahedral. Shape is trigonal pyramidal. An example is ammonia. Now question comes, what would be the shape of ammonia? So you have to write trigonal pyramidal, and its type is AB3E type. Next is, children, type 3, that is AB2E2. That is how many bond pairs? 2 bond pairs and 2 lone pair of electrons. So to atom A, 2 bond pairs, two bond pairs are there. A is connected to or attached to 2 atoms or linked to 2 atoms, and we have 2 electron pairs. You can see one over here and one over here. So 2 lone pair of electrons. So AB2E2 type. Now what would be the shape, children? Shape is bent and arrangement of electron pair is tetrahedral. Shape is bent type. Now example is, children, H2O. Water is an example of this. So what would be the shape of water molecule? It is bent. Now next one, children, next type is AB4E. It means 4 bond pair and 1 lone pair of electron. You can see over here, children, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4B atom. तो जितने atoms attach होंगे उतने bond pairs होंगे. Remaining will be the lone pair. So here, children, 4 bond pairs and 1 lone pair. What would be the arrangement? Arrangement of electron pairs is tetragonal bipyramidal, and the shape is seesaw. You all have seen seesaw in the parks. So shape is seesaw, and children, example is SF4. So if you want to draw the shape of SF4, then sulfur will come in the center, and in place of B it will F and one lone pair of electron. So shape is seesaw shape. Now next type is, children, AB3E2. It means 3 bond pairs and 2 lone pair of electron, as the formula tells us. 3 bond pair and 1 lone pair of 2 lone pair of electrons. So three bond pairs, 1 2 3, and 2 lone pairs, you can see first and this one is second. So what is the arrangement of electron pairs? Trigonal bipyramidal, and the shape is T shape. You can see, children, it is making T over here. Okay, this is T. So the shape is T shape. क्या होता है इसका example? In which molecule you can see this shape? ClF3. ClF3. Okay. Now next type is AB5E. So how many bond pairs, children? How many atoms of B are connected to central atom A? 5. So bond pairs are 5 and lone pair of electron is 1. So the arrangement of electron pairs will be octahedral. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 B atom around the central atom A and 1 lone pair of electrons. So arrangement of electron pairs is octahedral, and children's shape is square pyramid. Shape is square pyramid of what type of arrangement? AB5E type, square pyramid, and it is B. Example is BRF5. The example of this is BRF5. Last one in this, last type, AB4E2. How many bond pairs? 4. How many lone pairs? 2. So 1 2 3 4. 4 atoms of B connected to A. 2 lone pairs above and below. So shape of this one, or the arrangement of electron pairs, would be octahedral. The shape of the molecule of type AB4E2 is square planar. An example of this is XeF4. Example of this is XeF4. Okay, Xe, children, is what? Xenon. So it is 1 atom of xenon and 4 atoms of fluorine. So these are some of the examples. Now children, will be coming to next one. Shapes of molecules containing bond pairs and lone pairs. In this I will be giving you examples, and then on the basis of that we will be discussing about the shapes of molecules on the basis of how many bond pair and lone pairs they are having. So first type is AB2E. Okay, so here the number of bond pairs will be 2, as 2 oxygen atoms are there, and lone pair, number of lone pair of electrons is 1 because it is AB2E type. Example is, children, SO2, sulfur dioxide. Okay, so this would be the shape of sulfur dioxide, bent. Now next one is, children, AB3E type. AB3E type, 3 bond pair, 1 lone pair of electron. Example is NH3. So shape is, see children, 1 2 3, 3 and 1 lone pair of electron. Shape is trigonal pyramidal of ammonia. Next is, children, AB2E2 type. It means 2 bond pair and 2 lone pair of electron. This I have already told you, water molecule. So 2 bond pair, 2 lone pair of electrons over oxygen atom. Shape is bent. So now this next one is, in this is, children, AB4E type. AB4E type, it means 4 bond pair and 1 lone pair of electron. Example of this is, children, this one, SF4. SF4. So this would be the shape. Next is, children, AB3E2. 3 bond pair and 2 lone pair of electron. Shape is this, T shape. Okay, children. So here 2 lone pair of electron, and here it is forming a T. You can see, children, T shape. Okay. Now this is all about this. So This topic is over, children. I just hope it is clear to you all. So thank you all and have a nice day.